Vlogag! It's me, Daphne Sanglidan. Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel! Please don't forget, mag-subscribe na muna kayo bago kayo manood sa aking lahat-lahat ng mga videos ko. And please don't forget sa ating notification bells para update ko kayo sa aking mga vlogs. Intro, pasok!
Marimar.
Tandaan mo na lang ang sasabihin ko sa'yo. Ang pag-ibig ko.
For today, on my vlog, so topic tayo sa dalawang nag-ikakasal. So, topic tayo is kay Manang Jinjin and kay Mami Glinda about sa mga photos and mga videos nila sa May 18 si Mami Glinda and si Manang Jinjin is June 15. So, tapikin natin ngayon. Let's go for the manood kayo ng mga videos and photo!
This, but when we first met, I got so nervous I couldn't speak. In that very moment, I found the one, and my life had found its missing piece. So as long as I live, I love you, will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. What we have is timeless, my love is endless, and with this ring I say to the world, you're my every reason, you're all that I believe in. With all my heart I mean every word. So as long as I live, I love you, will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. Oh, you look so beautiful in white. Na, 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 na. So beautiful in white tonight. And if a daughter is what our future holds, I hope she has your eyes, finds love like you and I did. Yeah, but when she falls in love, we'll let her go. And I'll walk her down the aisle. She looks so beautiful in white. You look so beautiful in white. So as long as I live, I love you, will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white.
So as long as I live, I love you, will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and
Life had found its missing piece. So as long as I live, I love you, will have and look so beautiful in white. And from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. What we have is timeless. My love is endless. And with this ring I say to the world, you're my every reason. You're all that I believe in. With all my heart I mean every word. So as long as I live, I love you. We'll have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white. And from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. Ooh, you look so beautiful in white. Na, 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 na. So beautiful in white tonight. And if a daughter is what our future holds, I hope she has your eyes, finds love like you and I did. Yeah, but when she falls
Siguro din yung blockers, no? Sige, tara.
nagre-react at dami nagko-comment sa TikTok paano daw ako as in nagkikip ng gamit or mga bouquet. So, paano ako mag-keep ng mga gamit ng, for example, sa kasal or sa birthday or sa mga everything sa event. So, paano ako mag-keep ng mga gamit. So, alam niyo, let's go na at ipakita ko sa inyo paano ako magkikip. Ang bilis-bilis lang kasi nagdami nagtataka paano ako magkip ng bouquet, invitation, at regalo. So, iwan ko bakit hindi ako makatulog. Iniisip ko si Manang Jinjin araw-araw. Bakit kaya? Kasi tagal na kami magkasama, tas na ang bilis ng panahon, ikakasal na siya. Tapos na-shock din ako. Hello, ayan. Ito yung lagyanan ko sa bouquet. So, ito yung lagyanan ko. Tapos may nakalagay na tape for remembrance. So, first natin, ilagay natin yung invitation. Kasi dito, kasi may pangalan ako dito, guys. Sa ano yun? Tadan! It's a bridesmaid day! So, bridesmaid ako dito. Ang partner ko si Jan Oka. Si Jan Oka. Charot. So, ito yung atin i-keep. Just keep it. I will put it here. Just here. Patay na kasi yung bulaklak. Ayan, nakita nyo. And the next natin is yung ito. Lagyanan. Oh, tama ba? Ito kasi ang binigay ni Manang Chinchin. So, ilagay natin dito. Ayan. Sabay yung pangalan niya. Ayan. So, lagyan natin. Ayan na. Ayan yung bouquet ko. Patay na yung bulaklak. Kasi ilang 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 ngayon. Bukas 20 na is 5 days na to. 5 days na. Ayusin natin siya. Ayusin, besh. Ayan. Ayusin natin, be. Ayusin natin siya para hindi siya mamatay. Next natin, lagyan natin siya itong parang thank you. Ang nakalagay, thank you for celebrating with us. So, ayan, nakalagay dito na, be. With, nakalagay dito, let your love keep your warm, Ginny and Ray. June, ayan. So, ilagay na natin siya dito. Ayan. Plastaron na to siya. Ayan. Na-plaster na siya. Ayan na yung ating nilagyan ko. Yung bouquet plus itong ayan na yung ating nilagyan ko. Yung bouquet plus itong
So as long as I live, I love you. Will heaven hold you? You look so beautiful in white. And from now till my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight.
Nakita ko na sa inyo yung bouquet, yung paano ako magtago, paano ako makaslip, sabay yung bulaklak na namatay na. Kasi yung bulaklak is 5 days na sa akin, buhay pa. Buhay pa talaga, guys. Ewan ko yung iba, bakit ni... As in, guys, yung kay Mami Glinda, cactus lang. Gusto ko yung pahingi ng invitation para as in, ako, as in na, parang as in kay Mami Glinda din, slight din. Oo, nag-iisa yung anak mo. Chor, nag-iisa. So, oo, ayan. So, grabe. So, panoodin na lang ninyo yung photos and videos. Wala akong magsasabi at reaction. At good naman yung mga performance task ninyo sa mga kasal ninyong dalawa ni Mami Glenda at kay Manang Jenjen. So, congrats sa inyong dalawa at God bless you. Kung masabi sa as in sa invitation ay kay Mami Glinda ang nag-decor si Ate Rosario Pasilan. Ang kay Inday kay Manang Jinjin kay waya ko kabayo sino nag-decor sa kanyang sa Jiklo kasi yung venue niya o Jiklo talaga kasi bongga. Bongga di ba? So wala akong masabi at wala akong mag-react sa kanyang kasaliman ng Jinjin. Dapat happy at enjoy lang sa party. At wala akong masabi talaga, besh. So, sister ko siya, wala ko mag-react ng kahit ano-anong sa kasal niya talaga, guys, na todo talaga na wala kami practice na sabi ko sa kanya, hala, may sadya pala, dance competition. Na kung nagtatanga ako, bakit ang ganito? Ilabas namin yung talent, every time sa talent. So, yan lang. Kasi wala ko vlog karadya sa kasaliman ng Jinjin, pati kay Mami Glinda. So, ang reaction ko kay Mami Glinda din, good job naman yung decor with a sounds talaga na grabe, disco waya. Gano'n ko kabatinan love song. Oo, thank you. Ang sa system na to kay Mami Glinda, si Mami Michael Ramirez and hosting by Christine Ramirez. Ayan, so oo, sa side ride. Tapos kay Manang Jinjin, wala ko kilala sa Iza makeup artist every time. So, Anija makeup artist, dito kami sa Gateway Hotel. Ang number niya sa room is 308. Dito kami nagpa-makeup, alas 7, alam mo na. Long story kay Manang Jinjin, nagpa-photographer, nangaon, nag-ilis, nag-makeup. Dito na, after John, dito na kami sa simbahan, prepare na magpaso o waya gid kiradya ako picture, guys. So panoodin na lang ninyo kung ano naganap sa kanyang kasal. At kay Mami Glinda, busy sa dako dyan, guys, ng maid of honor ako, guys, kay Mami Glinda. So hawak ako ng kanyang hawak ako sa kanyang damit kay Mami Glinda. At kay Manang Jinjin said, bridesmaid said ako, double kill. So, double kill talaga ko sa wedding nilang dalawa ni Mami Glinda at kay Manang Jinjin. So, double kill talaga, guys. So enjoy lang natin yung panoodin yung mga wedding nila. At supportive sa bako, guys. Kay BFF po na ko si Manang Jinjin Spinido and si Mami Glinda sad. Supportive yung anak. Ayan, so panoodin na lang ninyo para as an enjoy lang kayo manood. And like, comment, and share, and subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. Anong mag-suggest ninyo sa TikTok ko? Mag-comment na kayo para upload ko agad-agad sa YouTube channel ko, guys. And give a like, comment, and share, and subscribe. Always tayo updated sa ating weather. At always bring umbrella and always inom ng vitamin C and exercise every day. Bye! God bless you!